الرحمن الرحيم. الحمد لله رب العالمين والصلاة والسلام على أشرف الأنبياء المرسلين محمد وأهل بيت الطيبين الطاهرين المعصومين. أما بعد، فقد قال الله سبحانه وتعالى في كتابه المجيد والفرقان الحميد: بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم ربي زدني علما. صدق الله العلي العظيم. اللهم صل على محمد وآل محمد وأجل فرجهم. Right, we are on lesson number which lesson are we on?
Assalamu alaikum. I think we were supposed to start lesson 3.
Correct. Right, lesson number 3. So Sister Tahira, can you come on the mic and just go through the points to remember? So this lesson itself, it's got a really long points to remember. So the main thing we are going to cover today is about superlative noun.
Comparative, yes, yeah.
So af'alu. So af'alu is a superlative noun, and it comes in the meaning of comparative, and it comes also in the meaning of superiority. So when it comes with min, for example, Hamidun atwalu min Bilal, it means Hamid is taller than Bilal. And sometimes it comes without min. So after atwalu, on the pattern of af'alu, you have this ahsanu talibin. Sometimes it comes rather than after ahsanu, there being a min, there is a noun instead. So when it comes in this form, ahsanu talibin, here it comes in the meaning of superlative degree, meaning that Ibrahim is the best student in the school. So this is the theme of this lesson. Go ahead, sister.
Sorry, when I'm supposed to read it?
From here, points to remember in this lesson. Can you see on the screen?
No, I can't see anything.
Sorry, my mistake. I thought I had it on the screen. Can you see it now?
Yes, I can see it now. Yeah, inshallah.
Go ahead.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In this lesson, we learn the following: comparative and superlative degrees of the adjective. Adjectives in the comparative degree are on the pattern of af'alu, like ajmalu, more beautiful, ahsanu is better, asgharu is smaller, aqdam is older. As we have already learned, words on this pattern are diptos, and so we have no tanween. Okay,
correct.
understood?
So okay, let me explain. So any noun on the pattern of af'alu, ajmalu, aqdamu, asgharu, ahsanu, it doesn't take a tanween, neither it takes a
Dhamma.
It takes a dhamma, it doesn't take a tanween, and
It doesn't
neither it
take
takes a kasra.
Yeah.
Correct. These are the two things it doesn't take. So these are dipto nouns, and they come as a means of comparative or superlative degree. But for example, we say, Aitullah khui, a'lamu mujtahidin. A'lamu mujtahidin. Sorry. A'lamu mujtahidin. Aitullah khui is the most learned mujtahid. So that is the way it comes. So go ahead.
Okay. Af'alu is followed by min. Example, Ahmadu atwalu min Bilal. So Hamid is taller than Bilal. Af'alu is the same for masculine, feminine, singular, and plural. Example, Bilalun atwalu min Aminata. Bilal is taller than Amina. Aminatu atwalu min Bilalin. Amina is taller than Bilal. Al-abna'u atwalu min al-banati. The sons are taller than the daughters. Al-banatu atwalu min al-abna'i. The daughters are taller than the sons. Note the following examples wherein min is followed by pronoun. Anta ahsanu minni. You are better than I. Ana aqsaru minka. I'm shorter than you. Hum akbaru minna sinna. Okay. They are older than we. Hum is hum, yeah. They are older than we. Yeah.
So you'll see here after atwalu, you have either you have a noun, bin bilalin, min al banati, or you can have a pronoun, minni, minka, minna, sinnan. So here, these are all coming as comparative. And then we are going to go now to superlative degree. So whenever it comes in superlative, meaning the best, then it's mudaf, mudaf ilay, ahsanu, talibin. How do we know it's mudaf ilay? The word talibin is coming with a kasra tanween.
Yeah. Okay. Af'alu is also used for the superlative degree in the case it is followed by a majrur noun. Okay. Ibrahimu ahsanu talibin fil madrasati. Ibrahim is the best student in the school. Okay. The note that in minni, the noon has shadda. There's no shadda with other pronouns. Okay. Minhum, minha, minka, minhu has shadda because it is made of min and na. Okay. Sinna, sinni. Okay, sinnun. Okay, sinnun means age. Akbaru sinna literally means bigger in age. Okay.
Which page? Sorry, which page are you reading? Is it
Page 31.
31? Yes.
Now we're page number 32.
You're going to 32. Okay.
So this is these are all the points to remember for lesson number 3 itself.
Inshallah.
Right. Okay. Where's it going? 32. Yeah, just finish off this and then I'll get 2, 3, and 4. Our last sister, Razia, to do. Bismillah.
Okay. أقدم جامعة في العالم. Okay. الأزهر أقدم جامعة في العالم. Al-Azhar is the oldest university in the world. Fatima أكبر طالبة في فصلنا. Fatima is the oldest student in our class. The Arabic name for both comparative and superlative degrees is af'alu at-tafdhil. Okay. Can you please explain that one? The Arabic name for both comparative and superlative degrees is af'alu at-tafdhil.
Tafdhil, it means superiority.
Okay.
Yeah, so af'alu tafdhil means superiority or comparison. So so af'alu itself, the pattern af'alu, it gives either the meaning of comparative or either it conveys the meaning of superlative degree.
Okay. Inshallah. Okay.
Okay. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Number 2, walakinna, but, is one of the sisters of inna, and so it acts like inna. For example, Bilalun mujtahidun walakinna hamidan kaslan. Bilal is hardworking, but Hamid is lazy.
Correct.
Akhi mutazawwijun walakinni azabun. My brother is married, but I am a bachelor. Sayyarati qadimatun walakinnaha khabiyatun. My car is old, but it is strong.
Correct.
Number 3, ka'anna. Ka'anna is one of the sisters of inna, and so the noun following it is mansub. It means it looks as if, for example, ka'anna al-imama maridun. It looks as if the imam is sick. Man hadhihi al-fatah? Ka'annaha ukhtuk. Who is this girl? It looks as if she is your sister. Ka'anna hadhihi sayyarata lahu. It looks as if this car belongs to him. Ka'annaka min al-Hind. You seem to be from India.
Correct.
Number 4, the numbers from 11 to 20 with a masculine ma'dud, these numbers are compound. They consist of 2 parts. The ma'dud is singular mansub. For example, ahada ashara kawkaba. 11 stars. Tis'ata ashara kitaban, 19 books. We will deal with these numbers under 4 heads. A, number 11 and 12. Here both parts agree with the madud. For example,
let me explain here. Now,
Yeah.
what happens now? Numbers 11 and 12, they come as sifa mawsuf, meaning that whatever the thing which is being counted, the number and the 10 and the unit come exactly the same, 11 and 12. Like we said, if we want to say one student, we say talibun wahidun. And if it's one female student, we say talibatun wahidatun. Now, numbers from 13 to 19, numbers from 13 to 20, what happens is that the units, the tens, will correspond to the ma'dud. So all of the tens will correspond to the ma'dud. Remember we did in book 2?
Mhm.
In book 2, we said from 3 to 10.
Mm.
Let me remind everyone. In book 2, we did 3 to 10, that if the thing which is being counted is masculine, the numbers will be feminine.
feminine.
And if the thing which is counted is feminine, the numbers will be masculine. Yeah. Now over here now, you will see here. Now Taliban is masculine, and so numbers from 3 to 10 came plural with a kasra. Khamsatu tullabin. Tullabin with a kasra tanween. But numbers from 11 to 19 or 20, they come singular and with a fatha itself. Singular and fatha.
Okay.
So ashar is masculine, Taliban is masculine. So always the units from 11 to 20, the unit itself, meaning the tens, will be the exact same gender as the ma'dud. And the unit, which is 3, 4, 5, 6, it will be of the opposite gender. Asharata, feminine. Talibatan, feminine. Thalatha, masculine.
Masculine. Okay.
Is that clear now?
Mhm.
That's the whole lesson itself. Now, sister, if you go through this now, it'll be much more clearer for you to understand now. Bismillah.
Okay. So A, numbers 11 and 12. Here both parts agree with the madud. For example, ahada ashara taliban, 11 male students. Ihda ashara talibatan.
So you see both of them. So you see ahada and ashar is both of them masculine, and Taliban is masculine. Ihda ashrata, ihda is feminine, ashra is feminine. Both of them are corresponding. Then ithna, ashara, both of them are masculine. Ithnata, feminine, asharata, feminine.
Okay.
Is that clear?
Yes. So it's 11 and 12 are opposite.
11 and 12 are
same. Yeah.
Exactly.
Okay.
Exactly.
13 to 19 are opposites then. Yeah?
Yes.
Okay. Ithna ashara taliban, 12 male students. Ithnata ashara talibatan, 12 female students. Now numbers B from 13 to 19. Here the second part agrees with the madud and the first part does not. For example, Salasa asharata talibatan. Salasa is masculine, ashara talibatan is feminine. No, sorry. Is that correct? Yeah. Salasata ashara, salasata is feminine and ashara taliban, it's masculine. As you can see, salasata ashara taliban. The ma'dud is taliban. It is masculine. So the second part of the number ashara is masculine, while the first part salasa is feminine, as indicated by the ta marbuta ending. Okay. So 13, salasa ashara, if it's 13,
It's 13 girls.
So it's just the opposite here. As you can see in Taliban,
طالبة.
ثلاثة عشر.
Okay.
As you can see in طالبا ثلاثة عشر, the معدود طالبا is masculine. So the second part of the number ashara is masculine, while the first part salasata is feminine, as indicated by the te marbuta ending.
Correct.
ثلاثة عشر طالبة in ثلاثة عشر طالبة, the ma'bud طالبة is feminine. So the second part of the number ashara is also feminine, while the first part salasa is masculine, as indicated by the absence of te marbuta. In this lesson, we learn these numbers only with the masculine ma'bud. We will learn them again with the feminine ma'bud in lesson number 6.
Correct.
See, these numbers are mabni, indeclinable. Indeclinable.
Indeclinable means that the last letter of the noun, they do not change.
Okay. In other words, they do not change to indicate their function in the sentence. This will become clear by comparing the numbers from 3 to 10 with these numbers. In the salasatu riyalat, I have 3 riyals. Uridu salasata riyalat, I want 3 riyals. هذا القلم بثلاثة ريالات. This pen costs 3 riyals.
So you see that these were thalathata bithalathati. So numbers from 3 to 10, they can change the harakat, but numbers from so it said so it said numbers so these numbers are mabni. In other words, they do not change, indicate their function. This will be clear when you compare it with 3 to 10. So numbers from 13 to 19 are mabni.
In the salasata ashara riyalan. Uridu salasata ashara riyalan. هذا القلم بثلاثة عشر ريالا. Note that ithna and ithnata commence with hamzatul wasl, and it is omitted in pronunciation when preceded by a word. D. Number 20 is ashrun. It has the same form for both the masculine and feminine ma'bud. The ma'bud is singular mansub. For example, ishruna twalibatan, ishruna twaliban. I see. We will learn the numbers from 30 to 90 in book 5, inshallah. We will learn there the other cases of these numbers as well. Number 5, the word for first is awwal. Ordinal numbers from 2 to 10 are formed on the pattern of fa'il, salisun, third, rabi'un, fourth, khamisun, fifth, sadisun, sixth. Second is thanin, which is originally thaniyun, like ghalin in lesson 1 with alif lam, it is thani. Number 6, alaysa kadhalika, isn't it so? If a student is asked, alaysa anta talibun kadhalika, the answer is bala. We will learn more about bala in lesson 6. Number 7, ayyuhuma, which of the two? For example, ayyuhuma akhuka fil fasli talibani min Firanza.
Right.
There are 2 students from France in the class. Which of them is your brother?
Right.
I see. So that's the Arabic, and Number 8, the 2 broken plural forms, mafa'ilun and mafa'ilun, like fanadiqun and fanajinu, are called muntahal jumu.
Right. Muntahal jumu.
Tough.
Yeah, there's a lot in there. In this lesson, it's a long lesson.
Yes,
Okay, so,
yes.
We'll go through it, inshallah, and then inshallah it will become easier. Sister Munira, can you go through this? I think Munira is your student. I think Sister Razia. Yes.
Yes, she used to be but now she's very smart, mashallah.
Assalamu alaikum, bye.
Still young, I'm getting older now.
So, Shahrun, month,
Yeah.
Laibun, player, Wasiun, spacious, large, Shahirun, famous, Samanun, price, Kasla, lazy, Kaslanu, feminine or feminine. Hostel, Mahjaun, star, Kaukabun, team, Farikun, full brother, Shaqiq, in a dream, Filmanan, Filmanam, window, Nafizatun, singular, Nawafizu, plural. Sinnun, age or tooth.
Excellent. Right. Okay. Right. I'm going to ask Sister Munira and Sister Razia. Can you go through the
Okay.
lesson? I want you to.
Yes.
So you become
Yeah.
Ahmad and Sister Munira will become Ali. And then I'll bring Sister Tahira in.
Okay.
الدرس
Okay.
الثالث, the third lesson.
Yeah. Okay. كم طالبا في فصلكم يا علي? How many students are in your class, O Ali?
في فصلنا 14 طالبا. In our class, there are 14 students.
الطلاب في فصلنا أكثر. فيه 19 طالبا يا علي. ما اسم الطالب الجديد الذي جاء أمس? The students in your class are
In our
many.
class. No. الطلاب في فصل.
الطلاب في فصلنا. The students in our class are many. In it, 19 are students.
Yep.
Oh, Ali. ما اسم الطالب الجديد الذي جاء أمس? What is the name of the student, that new student who came yesterday?
Right. Now, I have a question. The word at-talibu al-jadidi, why is it coming al-jadidi? Why is it coming with a kasra, the word al-jadidi, and what position does it have in the sentence?
Sorry, are you asking me,
Yeah.
Sheikh?
Any one of you.
Yeah. So, كم طالباً
اسم الطالب الجديد, it is إضافة construction.
No, it's
اسم
not.
الطالب الجديد.
No.
اسم الطالب is إضافة construction.
No. Wait, ما اسم الطالب الجديد. That is
al-jadidi. Why is it al-jadidi?
Yeah.
الطالب الجديد is a noun adjective phrase.
Yes, that's what Sister Razia said, correct. So what's happening here? Izafa construction is from the beginning. Ismu talibi is mudaf ilay.
Yeah.
Now this word al-jadid, this, because it's coming with a kasra, is talking about what is the name of the new student. So we are saying new student, not the what is. If we said what is the name of the, what is the new name of the, if we said what is the name, what is the new name of the student, then new becomes an adjective for ism. New name. Look at new name and new student. That's two different ways. You can have either a new name or either you can have a new student. If it was a new student, then we would put a dhamma on top.
Yes.
Yes, do you remember from book 2?
Yeah, correct.
So ma ismu talibi al-jadidi means what is the name of the new student. And if it was the other way around, then we ma ismu talibi al-jadido.
But the problem is, sometimes what happens if we are not putting any Arab, how do we understand?
So this is the art. This is
Arabic.
This is the art. You need to know your grammar for you to be able to understand the Arabic text.
Yes, yeah. Otherwise, because most of the Arabic texts, they don't have any Arab.
that's the reason why when you want to test someone in Arabic,
Yeah.
just give them Arabic text and tell them to read the Arabic text. If they read it correctly, you know that they know the Arabic grammar. If they don't read it correctly, you know that they are ummi. They are uneducated.
Correct, yeah. And we are spoiled because the Quran carries all the ayah.
Yep, and we are lazy.
Okay, shall I continue?
Yeah, yes.
Ali, Munira, you said Ismuhu Usama, yes?
Yes.
Yeah, not yet. Ismuhu Usama. His name is Usama.
هو طويل جدا أليس كذلك? He is very tall. Is he not? أليس كذلك? Are you not?
Is it not like that?
كذلك. أليس, is it not? Yes, we're just asking a question. Is it really not very tall? Yeah, okay. طويلا جدا.
بلا هو طويل جدا ولكن حامدا أطول منه. Yes, he is very tall, but Hamid is taller than him. إنه أطول طالب في فصلنا. Indeed, he is the tallest student in our class. ومن أطول طالب في فصلكم. And who is the tallest student in your class?
أطول طالب في فصلنا إبراهيم. Ibrahim is the tallest student in our class.
Correct.
أدفترك هذا يا أحمد. Is your notebook? Is this your notebook, يا أحمد? إن خطك جميل. Indeed, your writing
إن
are
خطك
beautiful.
جميل جدا. You missed جدا.
Oh, جميل جدا.
Yeah.
Indeed, your writings are very beautiful. MashaAllah. May God will.
Yeah. شكرا يا علي. خطي جميل وخطك أجمل. Thank you, oh Ali. My writings is beautiful, but your writings are better, more better. Ajmal, more beautiful.
من هذا الفتى الذي معك يا أحمد؟ كأنه أخوك. Who is this young boy that is with you? Oh, Ahmad, isn't he your brother? Is he your brother?
أنه أخوك. He seems like your كأنه أخوك. He seems like your brother.
Like, yeah, he looks
it
like
seems he looks like he is your brother.
Yeah, he seems like your brother.
He seems like your brother.
نعم هو أخي شقيق.
He is my real brother.
No, sorry. Yes, he is my brother Shakik.
No, Shaqiq means real brother.
Shakik what?
Real
brother.
Yeah, real brother.
Oh, real brother.
Huh?
Yes, he is my real brother.
أكبر منك هو أم أصغر? Is he the older from you? He or younger than you?
Correct.
هو أصغر مني. He is younger than me.
في أي مهجع أنت يا أخي? In what hostel are you? Oh, my brother.
Thank you for that, Sister Tahira and Sister Parveen Razai. Can you come on the mic, both of you?
There is a few sentences at the back to finish this conversation.
Yeah. That's what we're going to do. That's what we're going to do. Finish it off, and then we will do the exercises.
Right. Okay.
Who's going to do that?
Go ahead. You can become Ahmed.
Okay. أنا في المهجع الخامس وهو بعيد جدا عن الجامعة. I am in the fifth mahjah. I'm fifth. Okay, I'm the fifth apostle. I mean, what is sorry?
Hostel.
Oh, hostel. Okay.
Yeah.
And وهو بعيد جدا عن الجامعة, and it is very far from the university.
Correct.
علي أنا في المجمع الثامن وهو أبعد من معجئكم. I am in 8th
Hostel.
hostel and he's so far than your hostel.
Yeah, and it not he, it is very far.
It is very far.
أيهما أحسن? أيهما أحسن? Which is better?
One of them? Which one is better?
Okay, which one is better?
المجمع الخامس
Not
أحسن.
المحجأ.
المحجع.
Yeah.
المعجع الخامس أحسن فإن غرفته واسع والنوافذ أكبر ومراحيزة أنظف والسرور التي فيه أجمل. And you know, fifth university is a better. Its room is
Spacious.
cautious and windows is big.
Yep.
And toilet is clean.
Yep.
والسرور التي فيه أجمل and bed is beautiful.
والسرر التي فيه أجمل, and the beds in it are more beautiful. Right. I want you to ask Sister Parveen Razai, I want you to ask the questions to Sister Tahira.
كم طالبا في الفصل أحمد؟
كم طالب في فصل أحمد? Translate.
How many students in Ahmed class?
Can I just answer anything? Or here?
No,
okay.
no. Take it from the lesson.
Okay. Sorry. في فصلنا okay. فصلنا أكثر في فصلنا أكثر في 19 طالبا. So she say فيه.
Yeah, you say في فصل. You see في فصل. You will need to take the answer from the question. You will see في فصل أحمد and then the number.
Okay.
في فصل أحمد
19 طالبا. Okay. Correct. So في فصل 10. Okay, understood.
في فصل أحمد 19 طالبا. Next one, Sister Parveen Razai.
كم طالبا في الفصل عليا؟
How many? في فصل علي. في فصل without alif lam.
How many students in
Ali's classroom?
Okay, where is that one?
Second one.
Okay. Yeah, علي مسموع طالب جديد. Okay.
So you see في فصل علي.
في فصل علي طالب جديد.
No. أربعة.
Okay, on the top there. Okay. Yeah. It's everything everywhere, isn't it? Okay. في فصل علي في فصل علي. في فصل علي 14 طالبا.
Yep. في فصل علي 14 طالبا. Correct. Next one, Sister Parveen.
من أطول طالب في فصل أحمد?
What's the
Who's tallest student in Ahmed classroom?
Yep.
Okay. Who's tallest student in the classroom? Okay. Okay. طالب جديد. Okay. Well, أطول طالب. Okay, I can't see that honestly. هو أطول جدا. Okay. Okay, so it should be the new student.
I don't know. This is a whole comprehension test to see how well you understood the lesson.
Yeah. I know it's everywhere, but if you need time to think about and read it, isn't it?
So look at the أطول طالب في فصلنا إبراهيم. So Ahmed says أطول طالب في فصلنا إبراهيم. So you will answer من أطول طالب في فصل أحمد. So you say أطول طالب في فصل أحمد.
Okay.
Ibrahim.
Ibrahim. Okay, got that one. So I know the questions coming from the comprehension. I know the comprehension
Yes.
question, but you need to go through them again, isn't it, to get the answer, isn't it?
Yep. That's fine. It's not. That's why I'm helping you. That's why I'm helping you. So at
Okay.
least when you listen to the recording, it'll be easier for you. Don't worry about that. I understand that. So you will always look at the questions and take the answers from the question. So you will say أطول طالب. You could say إبراهيم أطول طالب في فصل أحمد.
Okay, start with Ibrahim.
Yeah.
Got it.
Next one, Sister Parveen.
ومن أطول طالب في فصل علي. And who's tallest student in Ali's classroom?
Correct.
So I could say, okay, so Atwalu, okay, Atwalu, Ali is Ali? Okay. Okay, I'm not sure where that is.
Ahmed.
Okay,
Yeah.
so Hamid, okay, firstly, Ali
So you could say Hamidun. Hamidun.
is the tallest one.
Yeah. Hamidun أطول طالب في فصل علي.
Okay, so Hamidun Atwalu min fasli Hamidin.
No, you say أطول.
No,
So you say,
Aliyin.
yeah, علي. Hamidun أطول طالب في فصل علي.
Aliyin. Got it.
Correct.
Tricky.
Yeah, it is. This lesson is one of the tough lessons in the book. After this, everything else becomes easy.
Inshallah.
After this lesson. Right, sister. Right, go ahead. Stahira, you do the first two, and then I'll ask Razai to the 3 and 4. Do 1 and 2. Correct. Mark correct.
Okay. الطالب الجديد الذي جاء أمس اسمه أسامة. correct. حامد في فصل أحمد. Wrong.
Yep, correct. Okay, and Sister Parveen Razai, number 3 and 4.
المأجح الثامن غرفة أوسط. It's wrong.
So start over here. المحجر الخامس أحسن بين غرف أوسع. Correct.
The fifth one is correct,
Yeah,
but
exactly.
it's ثامن غرفته. It's
exactly
incorrect.
Incorrect. Correct.
Yeah. المأجح الثامن أبعد من المجمع الخامس.
من محجر الخامس.
من المأجح الخامس. It's correct.
So المحجر الخامس أحسن بين غرفة. Sorry, is المحجر الثامن أبعد من محجر. Correct.
Yeah, it's correct.
Okay, thank you. Now, Sister Razia, can you come read the following examples? Okay, go ahead.
اقرأ المثالين الآتيين لاسم التفصيل. اسم التفصيل. Read the following examples of اسم التفصيل. Sorry. هاشم طويل وحامد أطول منه. آمنة صغيرة وزينب أصغر منها. These are examples. So هذا الكتاب أسهل من ذاك. This kitab is easier than that. هذه السيارة أجمل من تلك. This car is beautiful than that. حمزة أكبر مني سنا. Hamza is elder than me in age. هؤلاء الطلاب أحسن من أولئك. These students are أحسن are beautiful than those.
Yeah. These students are more better than those.
More better, yes. More better than those. بيتي أبعد عن المدرسة من بيتك. My house is far from the school.
No, my house is further away from the school.
From the school
than yours.
And your house.
Than your house.
From
correct.
Your house and from
correct.
Your house.
Thank you, Sister Munira. Let me do the last 5, please, Sister Munira.
Okay.
Does it start with huwa?
Yeah, huwa asgharu.
Huwa asgharu minna sinna. He is the smallest from us in age.
Yeah, who is the youngest from us in age.
Okay. Khatti ahsanu min khattika. My handwriting are beautiful than your handwriting.
Correct.
Haza shari'u anzafu min dhalika. This street is cleaner than that. Al-labanu ahsanu min ash-shay. The milk is better from the tea.
Then the tea.
Than tea, yeah, than tea.
هذه الساعة أرخص من تلك. This watch is cheaper than that.
Right, thank you. I'm not going to do this exercise. It's just a waste of time. I'm going to go to, so just read the examples and change the sentence. Okay, I just want Sister Tahira, I want you to read this, and I'm not going to waste your time just practicing the superlative. I just want you to understand these examples, and that will be fine.
Okay.
Go ahead. Read the example.
Okay. محمد طالب حسن. محمد أحسن طالب في الفصل. Okay.
So you will see here, Muhammadun Talibun Hasanun. Muhammad is a good student. So when you want to change it to superlative degree, you would change it around. You would change Hasanun on the pattern of Af'alu. So Muhammadun Ahsanu Talibin fil Fasl.
Okay. So هذا بيت جميل.
Sorry, which page, Sheikh, are we reading?
This is page 26.
26.
هذا
Exercise 5.
أجمل. Sorry. هذا أجمل بيت في الشارع. So this أجمل is beautiful house in this street.
This is this is the most beautiful house in the streets.
هذا أجمل. This is most beautiful house in our street, in the street. آمنة طالبة صغيرة. Amina is younger student. آمنة أصغر طالبة في المدرسة. Amina is the youngest student in the school.
Yep.
Okay.
Excellent.
هذه غرفة صغيرة. هذه أصغر. Can I ask you a question here quickly? You know, هذه غرفة صغيرة. So it should be هذه غرفة أصغر في بيتنا.
No. So you will say here هذا أصغر غرفة. هذا أصغر غرفة في بيتنا.
But here هذه غرفة, yeah?
Yeah, at the moment it's هذه, but because أصغر is masculine, so هذا will now come.
أچا, got it.
Yeah, so هذا أصغر غرفة في بيتنا.
أچا, got it. Okay. Okay. We need to write it down as well.
Yep. So because of هذه غرفة صغيرة, you're pointing towards the room. So that's the reason why it was هذه. But when it's going to be the other way around, then it will be هذا أصغر غرفة في بيتنا. And then next one, بلال لاعب حسن. Then you say بلال أحسن لاعب في فريقنا. Bilal is the best player in our team. Then next one, number 3.
Oh, you want to do that? Oh, sorry, I didn't realize.
Yeah, it's easy. Yeah, it's easy.
ياسر رجل فقير.
Yep.
ياسر رجل.
No. You bring the noun, which is the adjective faqir, in the beginning on the pattern of af'alu.
Okay. So af'alu yasirun.
No. Make faqirun on the pattern of af'alu. So it becomes afqaru.
Afqaru. Okay.
Yeah.
So you should be أفقر ياسر رجل في
No. Say
No,
Yasir first. Yasirun afqaru rajulun.
رجل في قريتنا. Okay, so ياسر أفقر رجل في قريتنا. Okay.
Rajulin fi qaryatin. What does that mean?
رجل.
Yasir is
Okay. فقير فقراء. Sorry.
the poorest.
رجل.
Afqar.
Yes.
Yasir is the poorest student.
Yeah. In
Sorry.
our.
It's poorest man in our village.
Oh, okay.
Our Qarya.
Yeah, in our village. Fi qaryatin, in our village.
Okay. هذه ساعة رخيصة. Okay. هذا. Okay. رخيصة.
No, not rakhisatun. So
I know.
yes. Sorry, that's right. Hadi sa'atun rakhisatun. So the word rakhisatun, put on the pattern of af'alu. So remove the ya and the ta marbuta and add alif before the ra. Ar khasu. Ar khasu.
أرخص أو أرخص. Okay. هذا ساعة أرخص
No,
في السوق.
no. Bring
No.
ar khasu in the beginning. Hada ar
أرخص
khasu sa'atin fi suqi.
ساعتين. Okay. So هذا أرخص ساعتين. Okay. شو مضاف إليه.
Yep.
Okay. هذا أرخص ساعتين في السوق.
Correct.
I need to know that. Okay. هذا الدرس سهل. هذا أسهل.
Correct.
أسهل. هذا أسهل درس في الكتاب.
Excellent. This is
easiest lesson in the book.
excellent. Thank
In
you for
this-
that. Jazakallah. You got it. You got the hang of it now. Sister Razia, can you continue and finish it off?
Yeah. الدكتور زكريا طبيب شهير في بلدنا. الدكتور أشهر.
No, الدكتور زكريا
أشهر طبيب في بلدنا.
طبيب كسرة تنوين طبيب. Yeah.
Okay.
أشهر طبيب.
الدكتور زكريا أشهر طبيب في بلدنا.
Correct.
Dr. Zakaria is أشهر, is very famous doctor in our country. Is it correct?
Correct.
الأزهر جامعة قديمة في العالم. الأزهر جامعة أقدم في العالم. Is that correct?
So you see, Al-Azhar أقدم جامعة في العالم.
Yes. الأزهر أقدم جامعة في العالم.
Correct. So Azhar is the oldest university in the world.
الأستاذ نعمان مدرس حسن في المدرسة. الأستاذ نعمان أحسن مدرس في المدرسة.
Correct.
هذا درس صعب في الكتاب. هذا درس أصعب.
هذا أصعب.
هذا أصعب درس في الكتاب.
Correct.
هذا فصل واسع في الكلية. هذا أوسع فصل في الكلية.
Correct.
Can I ask you a question here?
Yes, go ahead.
You know, when you do these sentences, يعني you know, the one we did it, there's like number 9, هذا درس صعب.
Yep.
You could say هذا أصعب درس, something like that.
Yeah,
How
this is
do you know which one comes first and then which one comes next? Like in
adjective. So difficult or lesson, which is an adjective. Difficult is an adjective for the lesson. So
So you should هذا أصعب.
Yes.
هذا أصعب درس. Okay, got it.
So wasi'un is spacious, and that's an adjective. And faslun is a classroom.
Okay, understood.
Okay, that's what you do it. Right, so I'm not going to do the next exercise, just long-winded. I want to do those ones which are going to be beneficial. Okay, this one over here. these numbers here, I want you to go through this. Sister Munira, can you go through this? This is the most important part of this lesson itself.
So this is just a reading, right?
Yes, it's reading, but knowing the numbers, how they become 11 and 12, they are coming exactly the same. So that 1 and the 10 are coming as exactly the same to the Ma'dud Talib, and 13 to 19. The 10s are exactly the same to the Ma'dud. This and this is exactly the same, but the units are different. Go ahead.
Which page is this?
This is page
28.
Okay, let me just check for you now. This is page number 28, yes.
Okay. All right.
11 طالبا 11 students. 12 طالبا 12 students. 13 طالبا 13 students. 14 طالبا 14 students. 15 طالبا 15 students. 16 طالبا 16 students. 17 طالبا 17 students. 18 طالبا 18 students. 19 طالبا 19 students. 20 طالبا 20 students.
Excellent. I'm not going to do lesson exercise 9. I want you to do that as homework. So I want you to go through these and work out these ones. And then exercise 9, 10, and 11. We'll go through that in class, inshallah, next week. Sister Razia and Sister Tahira.
Check.
Yes.
It will be on next week is.
It's going to be impossible. Wednesday's going to be in Milad.
Milad,
yeah. So it's yeah. So what I'll try to do, I'll try to let me have a look. I may be able to squeeze yourself in Monday, so that we can keep on track, inshallah. I'll try to see if I get time on Monday, and I'll squeeze you on Monday. Is that okay?
Inshallah.
Yeah, just a message. So.
Inshallah, I'll do that, inshallah. Jazakallah. Allahumma salli ala Muhammad wa ali Muhammad.
Sorry, Sheikh, you're going to say something.
Yeah, so inshallah, what I'm going to do is, what I want you to do is that Sister Tahira and the rest of your sisters, I want you to join the Monday class at 6:30. Would that be okay for you, Sister Razia?
Monday?
Inshallah.
Yes, Monday as well. I want you to join the Monday class as well.
Inshallah. I'll do that.
Okay.
Yeah.
Monday,
So,
yes, at 6:30.
Yeah, 6:30 UK time. So that class, what that class is?
Sheikh, it will be Maghrib time in between now. If we start at 6:37 is Maghrib.
No, 6:30 UK time.
UK time.
Yeah.
UK is
I think it'd be 8:30 in Africa. What's the time? What's the time now?
The time 9:30 now.
Yeah, it starts now. It starts at this time now. Is it too late for you?
Yes, yeah.
Okay, it's too late. Okay.
Bit late.
Okay.
Can I join them, please?
Okay, that's fair enough. Yeah, I'll add you.
Inshallah.
So they're revising book 3. So I just want you to join in the book 3 revision group so that you get a bit more practice of this lessons as well.
Inshallah.
Okay, no problem. Allahumma salli ala Muhammad wa ali Muhammad wa ajil farajahum.
Thank you, Sheikh.
محتاج دعاء في أمان الله.
Thank you, Sheikh.
والله السلامة.
جزاك الله